And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hey, how are you? Why are you not subscribed? I'm waiting. I am waiting. Why are you not subscribed? You need to be subscribed to my channel, because here on my channel, if you are like me, you want a place to escape to and to do makeup, do some girl talk, self-love, positive vibes, laughter, because when we get to know each other, we're gonna be laughing because we're like real clowns over here. When we get familiar, come on, I need to know you. I need to know who you are. I need to know who's subscribing to my channel. Comment, like, share the video. So for today's video, guys, as I said before, my next giveaway is coming up. My other giveaway that I had was in April, and even though I'm not at 500 subscribers, which I said my next giveaway would be, I do want it to do like a little back to school giveaway thing, so to speak, if that makes sense. If you're a parent and you need a little bit of extra cash to like buy some school supplies for your child, or if you're in college, you need that extra cash to buy you some stuff or for like your lunch or whatever, then join my giveaway. So my giveaway that I'm doing next is that I'm thinking of doing, I think I want to do $100 giveaway. And it'll be PayPal, of course, because I think most countries allow PayPal. I don't have Cash App where I am, so PayPal is the best bet for me and for everyone else based on what I know of. So that is what I am going to be discussing in this video. So if you want to join my giveaway, all you have to do is these simple steps. Are you with me? Let's get into them. So, one, the first thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel. That's the first thing. Guys, all you have to do is really just subscribe to my channel for one. And if you know anyone who would want to be a part of the giveaway or would love my channel, because after the giveaway, guys, I do want you guys to stay on my channel. I do want you guys to stay here. The giveaway is at random. I do giveaways randomly because I do want to give back to my supporters who watch me, who interact with my videos, who share my videos, who bring more people who would like my content, not just my giveaways, to my channel. So I want to grow my channel here on YouTube because I do want to expand more and do more, and with you guys love and support and genuinely wanting to subscribe to me will help me out greatly with that. So if you guys have liked any of my videos before or seen me before and do like my content or what it is that I do here on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you've watched me 5 times, then subscribe. And if you're just seeing my face and you don't know what it is that I do here on YouTube, please check out my playlists. Also, you can check them out after we finish it up in this video. So subscribe to my channel is one, because that helps out my channel. I need you guys to comment. And because I'm wearing purple today, I'm thinking I want you guys to drop purple hearts in this video if you guys are entering the giveaway. So drop purple hearts, because that is how I will know who's entering the giveaway and who to randomly pick. Now, the last time that I did the random comment picker, but this time I want it to be someone that I pick genuinely. So what it is that I think I have planned is, if you guys have persons who you know who like my channel and would love my content, and they subscribe because you guys forward them here, I don't know if that came through, and you guys are the one who forward them here, if you drop a purple heart under my comment. Have them like your video, your comment as well, and that will help you greatly in the giveaways that I'll be selecting. So I'm going to be selecting the person who I see is actively interacting with my channel, and also having their friends come and support them in winning. I think that's fair. I really think that's fair. So if you tag your friends, have them like your video, your comment, have them subscribe to my channel, and share my video. Those are the 4 rules, I think. The 4 rules, I think so. Comment, like this video, this exact video. Comment, like this exact video, this one right here. And comment a purple heart. Comment a purple heart below. Share with your friends and your family. Have them subscribe to my channel if they like my content, or content like this, or even just giveaways and other stuff that I have here on my channel. Well, I do mostly makeup, so if your friends like makeup stuff, or just want to support me in general, or wanting to help you win, either way, it's okay. So I keep rambling and going over. I'm sorry, y'all. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment a purple heart below. Share it with your friends so they can subscribe as well. And they can even join the giveaway if they would like. And have your friends like your comment. So have them search for your comment and like it as well. If you can tag your friends, feel free to do so. And I think that is it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to share. And let's get into the giveaway. Oh, the giveaway. Let me double check. Okay, I'm gonna upload this video on Sunday, whichever day Sunday is. That is what today is. So the giveaway will start from Sunday to, because I do want to give you guys time to be able to get all your friends to support you in winning. So I want to say until the end of September. I think that's fair. So until the end of September, I will announce the winner at the end of September. So copy the link for this video and share it with your friends, because I'll be posting different videos still until the giveaway. So don't forget, this video alone is the one that the winner will be selected from. So your purple hearts will need to be in just this video, not the other videos that I'll be doing. And the winner will be selected from this exact video. So I hope you guys, whoever win, is someone who will be appreciative and blessed and put this money to good use. Whatever it is, I pray that it fulfills whatever need it needs to fill, and that someone who genuinely needs it gets it. And don't worry, guys, if you did not win this giveaway, there will be plenty more giveaways coming. I think I'm going to be doing another one in October as well. So you do want to stay locked in and actively on my channel. So stay tuned for that giveaway. I think that giveaway will be more of like a Halloween theme giveaway, which will be something from like Amazon. It will be an Amazon giveaway. So it will be a bunch of Halloween themed stuff all together that I'll be shipping off to someone. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, for liking, for commenting. Nothing goes unread, unseen. I do want to thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, supporting my videos. Please do not forget to do the holy grails of YouTube, which is to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.